Welcome again to my channel. Well, today we will speak about if else. What if, what else, and go how to use this structure. Okay, in Go to use if is very easy. I will explain you. Okay, I will create on the function. Um, Inside this function, I will create some condition to show you how to use if else. That's the code. Here we use that's my terminal. I can do that. Okay, that's more. I don't know if it's very great for you to see if the I need to do one zoom. I don't know if the size of the letter is good of the code for that. Okay, okay, I will try. I will try. If something happen, you can to and comment told me about the code that is good is not good. Okay, let's start. It is I can try with the word if, all if. I will create one condition with that. For example, if 7 um, mm, um, that's this condition maybe will depend what I want to do. For example, if is even, mm, maybe I will create one thing here. For example, var number will be 4. Okay, on condition if number, for example, will be greater than 5, print fmt dot. This whole condition so you know how to use one thing. Um, printfl. Um, I will type here, for example, something like um, it's true, but if it's not true, I can do, for example, here else if I will create here other condition, for example, um, mm, 3. Okay, watch. Yeah, that's great. Here I will type, for example, um, number is 3. Okay. Um, I also also can create other condition here, a lot of condition that I want. For example, if you can to create, for example, you can choose number, you can create e, for example, um, if number plus, for example, that you want, you can to use u, or that's possible too. use or number of, for example, 6. No, I need to create some condition. If I have one variable here, or I declare it one variable here, I can use here. Understand? They will understand. For example, I can create var um, n will be equal to 3. Or I can use n here. Um, for example, what's happened? Okay, that's the boolean type. Okay, here you can't use like boolean type is not the number. If it's like it um, true, um, var b equal false, b, for example, you can't use like that. It's possible you can't use that if you want. I will comment that that I am not using. I will run all the code. Go run if else dot go. Sign that is the condition because it's not real. Can type here. Can say number is 3 because that is equal number is 3, but it's 4. But it's not a problem. You can try and um, do that's the thing that you are doing. You finish the class. We can see in the next lesson.